Hey, good afternoon. Saturday afternoon, getting ready to shut down at work. Been a long, hot week. So as you can see at Pals, we take pride in our shop. We try to keep it clean, all the trash dumped, and we try to maintain a clean shop so that we don't get grease or dirt or debris in your vehicle, which is really important. So look at what we have down here. The TR6 needs some adjustments. Check the gas gauge, and it's done. Runs down the road real good. Got a wicked cam in it, so the idle's a little wacky, but it's just because of the camshaft and the dual carburetors. And what do we have here? We have T-Bird twins. These both came to us from the Villages. One has a power steering issue that we're going to solve next week. The other one, we're putting an engine in, rewiring the car, and putting air conditioning on it. Yeah, we do that kind of stuff here. If you've got a classic car that needs air because it's hot in Florida, you should bring that to us and let us install some vintage air in your car. That way you could be nice and cool riding your car around when you're showing it off. Anyway, it's the end of our day and we're getting ready to all go home. You have a great weekend. This is Chuck at Pals, wishing you the best.